Hey you guys, it's Linda. Welcome to my channel. You really wanted me to do a Tarte video. You wanted to see the Pro Remix palette. You wanted to see Tarte. If you want me to do other videos like this, a one brand video challenge or a collaboration with someone, just comment because I really want more ideas on what I can do on my channel. If you want to continue watching this video and see how I did this look, just keep watching. Let's try some Tarte products. First of all, I need to have some kind of primer, and they didn't send me a primer, but maybe I can use the Maneater Eyeliner as a primer. How do you sharpen this or what? I don't really get it. Is it a screw up? No. Oh, I've never seen this before actually. So you just push this like this. Boink, boink, boink. Let's use the Maneater eyeliner as a primer. God, I hate myself sometimes. I'm just gonna try to just use it all around my eye as I would do a smoky eye. And note that this is not in a collaboration with Tarte or anything. This is just because I wanted to do this video and you guys wanted me to do this video. But these are PR samples. I did not buy them myself. It dries, so you have to be quick. I can't really get the line like super smudgy. That's fine because I'm gonna do eyeshadow on top of it. It's not the best blending in the world, but that's fine because as long as you have a primer, so this is my primer, underneath, you can still go over with an eyeshadow on top and make it look awesome. Let's go to the palette. It has this cool 3D effect on the front, and then we have the actual palette. It has a lot of pretty colors. So I'm gonna start out with a black. It's called Ink. It's very pigmented. It has got a little bit of fall down. I'm gonna dab on a little bit of powder underneath my eyes, just in case. And then I'm gonna go to Artist, the blue shade here. It goes on really smooth. I'm gonna try Graffiti, blend it into the blue. In the inner corner, I am using the color Sway. That is, I would say, pretty light champagne pink color. Maybe I'm just gonna go over the blue with the red. And if you can see here, the pigmentation is great because it covered all the blue. The only thing I miss in this palette is a very deep brown shade, because there are a lot of shimmery shades in this palette, but I would love to have a deep brown matte shade. I'm switching brush and I'm using the color Wall Art, which is a good transition shade. I'm gonna brush away the powder because I don't think I need it anymore. And I am going to use Wall Art, the transition shade, again to blend underneath my eye. I am excited about next step because I'm gonna use the Seaglass eyeshadows. This is the one that I used in my latest video, the one that was super glittery. I'm gonna use it today as well, and I'm also gonna use this Seaglass eyeshadow. It's called Una Noche. Una Noche, it's one night in Italian, isn't it? Let's start with the red because I haven't tried it before. Ooh, oh my goodness. It's packed with silver glitter. I'm using another brush instead of the brush that comes with because I don't want that much. I'm gonna go the whole way instead. You see, every time I do a makeup, I just change my mind all the time because I don't really plan for the makeups I do. I If I get a feeling and then I get another feeling and that feeling is better than the first one, I just go for it. And as I said in the latest video, this eyeshadow did not crease on me during the day. Then I had it on a naked eyelid. Now I have some eyeshadow on and primer, and let's see how it stays on this time. I don't think I'm gonna go around the whole eye. Instead, I will use Inspiration, that is a light champagne color. Overall, this palette has like great pigmentation in the eyeshadows. They are really, really pigmented and opaque. The eyeshadows are really soft and nice, and they are very blendable. I would say that the palette is easy to work with, at least what I have tried so far. Next up is this tiny eyeliner called So Fine. It has a very, very tiny tip, and I am going to try to do an eyeliner with this. It's bleeding a little, quite much here on my arm actually. It did also bleed on in my pores on my hand. I'm not sure if it's gonna behave like that on the eyelids, but we'll see. It's easy to come close to the lash line because it's so tiny. It doesn't seem like I get any kind of bleeding here actually. And the flow is really good. You know, the mascara I said that I didn't like. I'm going to give it another try because it was a couple of years since I tried it before. Here it is, and let's see if it works better this time. I like to give products another chance because you don't really know, like maybe for mascaras, for example, maybe your lashes was in bad shape or you did not curl them or it was raining or whatever. And here I don't actually see much because my eyeliner is too thick. It separates the lashes really well. Now I feel I can really build up the volume. Problem with me and mascara is that mascaras don't keep the curl on me unless they are waterproof mascaras, because my lashes are very short and straight, and if I don't wear waterproof mascara, in 5 minutes the lashes are back to like super straight again. And as I expected, my lashes are back to straight again. I think that if you have curled and nice lashes, this will be really good on you. I think I'm gonna apply false lashes on this look as well. One of my favorite pairs right now are Midnight Luxe from House of Lashes. Okay, so the eyes are pretty much done. I applied a little bit of mascara on the lashes and also on the lower lashes as well because I want a lot of mascara on this look. Let's proceed with the Pro Glow Highlighting Contour Palette. So in here we have 4 highlighters, we have 1 contour, and we have 1 shade that is creamy. I will use the Sculpt shade to sculpt my face, and I'm always really nervous to use new shades like this because I don't know how they behave and if they're too dark, but this one seems to be very, very good. It works good on my skin tone. Let's try one of these. Why am I so dirty? Here are the 4 shades. I think I will go with the one that is called either Stunner or Strobe. I'm not really sure. Stunner. I'm gonna go with Stunner because I don't think that is too dark for me. Okay, let's go with Strobe, the lighter one. This is nice. Stunner did not really do anything for me because it was a little bit too dark, but this one is beautiful. And it's a bit of glitter inside too, so it's not only shimmer, it's glitter as well. I will do a little bit on my nose. In my latest video, I used the Blush and Glow in Rose Gold. I will use the blush on my cheekbones. So I'm blending it with the highlighter. Then I'm going in with the highlighter to highlight my chin and forehead. I have to confess that I was at the office and I kind of forgot the lipsticks there, and so I'm gonna use something else on my lips. This is NYX Professional Makeup Slip Tease Lip Lacquer in the shade First Date. It's really a full color lip gloss. Okay, so the last thing I have now is basically to just spray my face with some face mist and then I'm done. I am going to use Indie Beauty face mist. I actually had a face mist from Tarte a few years ago that was really amazing, but I dropped it, I think, or it broke down somehow, so it didn't work. So it was like when I pushed it, it was like so I was really sad about that because it smelled so good. I really hope you like this video, even if I didn't have all the products, but I feel like I really like the look. I'm really pleased with how it turned out, and it was fun to do like this almost one brand video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again next time. Bye guys!